So citing certain examples, we've observed that clubs such as SARS see a lot of active participation from the PG students. Do you think there's anything conducive about how these clubs operate, these specific clubs like SARS, which attract a lot of PG participation? Do they feel more comfortable with those particular group of people, or what? Or are PGs more musically inclined and hence better at it?
There are many factors on which this thing depends. First of all, the first and the foremost, when you ask a PG student why you don't participate in this competition, the immediate answer you will get is I didn't get informed. So UGs tend to see the notice boards, but PGs tend to see the emails. This is a general trend among PG students. So proper publicity focused among the PG students is very important for all the cultural dinners. As you cited, SARS has got a very good participation in Surbahar. This is also related to the thing which Vijay said recently, that a trend follows. In SARS last year also PG students participated and it continued. Similarly, if you look at the debating activities going on in the institute, I would like to tell that on both the rounds of IDL, on both the groups of IDL, PG students are leading. Hostel 12 is leading the one group. So basically it is somehow related to publicity of the events also. So we need to have proper focused publicity amongst the PG students for the cultural activities. Then only they will come to participate and then only they will contribute in these things. So one factor is this, the proper information. Apart from that, pseudo or inertia is there, which is because of the UG-PG interaction among the PG students. This is also one of the factors that they don't come and participate. So there are many factors on which this question depends, or the answer to this question depends.
It's the universality of the theme which draws the PG community to the SARS club. Right. Nothing concerning the way it is organized or anything as such. It's like this: you either have vocal prowess in you or you don't. That's it. And there's no point in that. You cannot see this thing called starting from the scratch when it comes to excelling vocally. Maybe instrumentally you can learn the fundamentals and try to experiment with.
In other cultures also it's true. It means you can't have anything.
Definitely, but universality of the theme of music, that's the reason why we have more people taking part in SARS. If it comes to debating activities or something like that, specifically take my example for instance. I was shy. I mean, I did my master's from here. I'm doing my PhD from. I've been acquainted with the IT for the past 4.5 years, and I actually got into the system only thanks to the motivation and inspiration provided by the UG students. And in that particular aspect, I should give them a very huge round of applause. I unabashedly look up to the UGs to draw inspiration in various aspects. I mean, as I pointed out quite early on, I'm continually amazed at this concept of self-governance and at this need to excel to have your unique identities. And we need support systems, and we don't have internal support system amongst ourselves, the PGs, and we bank on UGs for that.